Welcome to Marrakech. I'm staying in the super comfortable, centrally located Ryad Dar Ganou. It's one of the best guest house here inside the Medina. It's about 3 minutes walk to the central bus station that will take you to and from the airport. It's walking distance to most of the attractions such as the mosque, the main square, different palaces, and so on. Another great thing about this guest house is a full service guest house, which means you get a complimentary traditional breakfast every single morning. Not to mention the staff, but also really try to help you arrange the tour, the walking tour, the desert tour, taxis, and so on. But I'm sure you wonder what amenities they have to offer. Well, let's start up right here. You get a really beautiful, nice pool that you can use, and it's a common room. But let's go and check out in person. So after a long day, you can always come here, relax here. This is also where you can have your complimentary free breakfast as well as dinner, or you can use the pool. But there's also a lounge inside here where you can come and catch up on some TVs and read some books, or if you like, just relax on the couches and do nothing. Now this is actually one of the rooms they offer. It's a triple room, perfect for one couple plus children or 3 individual adults. These are very comfortable mattresses with clean sheets and towels included in your price. And every single private room has ensuite with hot showers 24 hours a day, toilets, and as well essentials such as soaps and shampoos and so on. So this is a double room they offer. It's perfect for couples. You get a very comfortable queen size bed, of course, nice and clean, linens, towels, all essentials. Now what's so great about this room is not only you get a nice, big, comfortable space, very spacious, but also you have a nice balcony where you can go out and get a fresh breath of air. Now they also offer other type of rooms such as family rooms. There's another double room and so on, but undoubtedly this is my favorite part of the guest house, the terrace, and this is where you get a 360 view of this beautiful, magnificent and historical city. Also able to chill out in many of the nice couple couches and just do nothing and enjoy the fresh breath of air and the sunrise. With that being said, I hope you enjoy your stay here in Marrakech and come and check this out and write your own reviews.